Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very top to find About Phone. Then let's localize this OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then you can go back, scroll down to the very bottom and find additional settings. Scroll down again and localize developer options, let's enter, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Of course, if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher to activate it, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually do that. However, remember about restarting your device from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.